Malcolm, and I'm here to talk to you about organization. Unfortunately, I can't talk to you about organizing your binders or folders, even though some of you need that. Today we're focusing on organization on the SAT. You'll likely see two types of questions for the skill of organization. One type of question will ask you to rearrange the order of sentences or add a sentence in the correct place. For this type of question, you will have to read the entire paragraph. Make sure that each sentence flows into the next one and that the ideas are organized logically. Here is a sample paragraph. A basic understanding of computer programming is essential. In fact, many designers initially begin their pursuits as programmers. Consider taking some general computer science courses as well as courses in artificial intelligence and graphics in order to increase your understanding of the technical challenges involved in developing a video game. Courses in psychology and human behavior may help you develop collaboration skills. A designer also needs careful education preparation. What seems weird about the paragraph? Well, for one thing, the sentence in bold seems out of place. Why would you say a designer needs careful educational preparation after you've already talked about all of the courses? Also, the beginning of the paragraph seems funny to me. Doesn't that seem like a weird way to begin a paragraph? It isn't a good topic sentence. So where does it make sense to move the bold sentence to the beginning of the paragraph? Now, this would make sense. The other type of skill you will be assessed on is transition words. Here's a sample question. A designer must generate extensive documentation and explain his or her ideas clearly in order to ensure that the programmers, artists, and others on the team all share the same vision. Likewise, anyone considering a career as a video game designer must be a skilled writer and speaker. Your options are A, no change, B, nevertheless, C, consequently, or D, however. Let's paraphrase what all of those transition words mean. Likewise means in the same way. Nevertheless means in spite of that. Consequently means because of that. And however is in contrast to that. Now you have to figure out the relationship between the two sentences. A designer must generate extensive documentation and explain his or her ideas clearly in order to ensure that the programmers, artists, and others on the team all share the same vision. Likewise, anyone considering a career as a video game designer must be a skilled writer and speaker. The first one talks about communication things that a designer has to do. The second sentence says designers have to be good communicators. Which transition word makes the most sense? Consequently. Because video game designers have to communicate a lot, they have to be good communicators.